Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nazrul Nazrim bin Roslan, number matric 08 DEP 19F2007. So today I'm gonna present about project 2 and my supervisor is Puan Nohadana binti Nasruddin. So my project is about Wi-Fi smart plug with voice assistant. So this is my table of content. First, introduction. Second, literature survey. Third, methodology. Fourth, result and discussion. And last, conclusion. So, introduction. An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processor, sensor and communication hardware to collect, send and act on data they acquire from their environment. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although people can interact with the devices. A smart plug is a power plug which can fitted between power cord and socket to function as a remote control power switch. As such, smart plug can be used to make dumb electrical equipment become smart and thereby enable such devices for home automation or building automation purpose. So this is the problem statement. The problem statement is people with the abilities and children have difficulty to turning on or off the plug at home. The cost of expenses become higher as electricity bills increase. Risk of short circuit due to overload. Next is objective. To develop an equipment that prevent the occurrence of unwanted things such as short circuit due to overload. To develop smart plug that reduce electricity wastage. To simplify the affair of user as well as save their time, energy, money and especially life. Then literature survey. So this is my literature survey. So the first one is about a hybrid network smart home based on ZigBee and smart plug. The second one is about smart plug designed for demand side management program. The third one is a smart home appliance control system for physically disabled people. And the last literature survey is design and implementation of smart plug and Internet of Things IoT approach. Next, methodology. of smart plug. So this is my system architecture or my block diagram. Consists of not MCU, relay and power supply. Relay will be operated as a switch on or off. To convert the voltage from AC to DC, power supply will be used. The circuit will start with the sources, which is come from AC source at the house, and the power will go in through the power supply. At the power supply, the power source will be converted from AC to DC output. This will make sure the circuit will get the appropriate power and the circuit will not short because of the unstable or very high voltage. The non-MCU will do a process and transmit the signal to connect with our smartphone via Wi-Fi. Finally, the relay will operate like a switch and it will on or off based on the user instruction. Finally, conclusion. The smart plug have been investigated and designed related to smart home. The smart plug is cost-effective and flexible to use. The Android app is capable of controlling the appliance in an entire house, such as light, temperature, TV, and so on. The system is based on Arduino IDE services, which are applied to communicate between the remote user and home devices. In order to make our life and surrounding more charming and convenient, subsequent system function allows people to control the home appliances through voice, and this will achieve a true sense of intelligent life. So this is my references. So that's all for me. Thank you.